Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a message off one of my videos and asked me about the transparency tool. I very seldom ever use it. I really never used it. I've used it a little bit just playing around because I'm a laser engraver and we just don't use it. But if you're a sublimation artist or something, so just draw you a square, fill it in with a color, and the only colors we would use in laser engraving would be a little gray or something, and then go to the transparency tool and just start anywhere and just go straight up. And this is what it does. It makes a transparency over the whole thing. And to kind of prove that, let's just take a ellipse or a circle, fill it in with black, and we're going to put it on top of here, and then we're going to go up to Object and Order and put it to the back of the page. And you can see it's allowing us to see the circle. And the closer you get to the lighter part of the transparency, the darker the circle gets. And if the further you go, the less it, sublimation people could really do some pretty cool stuff with this, with like a sunset or, on a t-shirt against a blue sky and make it look like outer space. But as a laser engraver, not so much. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.